Hey, if you're brand new to YouTube and want to kick off your journey in 2026, you're in the right place. I'm here to walk you through every step, creating your YouTube account, setting up your first channel, and sharing real beginner tips you need before uploading that first video. Don't worry if you've never done any of this before. I'll make it simple. Let's dive in. First things first, you need a Google account. If you already have Gmail, you're good to go. If not, no worries. I'll show you how. Open any browser, go to google.com, and click Sign In. Then, hit Create Account. Choose for myself, pop in your first and last name, pick a username, and set a password. Verify your phone number, finish the setup, and boom! You've got a Google account. Now, let's make that YouTube account. Head to youtube.com, click Sign In at the top right, and log in with your brand new Gmail. Just like that, you officially have a YouTube account. But wait, you still need your own channel. While you're logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. This is your chance to pick your channel name. Use your real name or create something catchy and memorable. Pro tip: keep it simple, make it easy to find, and match it to your content idea. Upload a profile picture if you have one, then hit Create Channel. Congratulations, your channel is now live. Before you upload anything, let's set up a few basics. Go to YouTube Studio, add a short channel description and tell viewers what you're about. Drop in a clear profile photo and a simple banner with your channel name. Also, verify your channel with your phone number. This unlocks longer videos, custom thumbnails, and live streams. Now, a few beginner tips for 2026. Use your real info, pick one main topic, and start with shorts. Those quick vertical videos are great for new creators. Don't upload everything under the sun, stick to one niche. And remember, growth takes time, so be patient. Don't copy others, don't upload copyrighted stuff, and don't expect instant success. Once your channel's ready, upload your first video or short. Add a simple title and description, use a basic thumbnail, and share it with friends or on social media. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect, just start. Everyone starts from zero. Every big YouTuber was a beginner once. The most important step is just getting started, today. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Have you created your YouTube account yet? Thanks for watching.